everyone. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Plarail 60th anniversary metallic Thomas. Now I have two, which is the reason why I'm unboxing one, and this one actually doesn't have tape on it. Like, you can't even see any tape marks on the box or anything, like even on this side too. It's like no tape marks, whereas on this one you can tell that it's still sealed because you can see the tape just there, like here and here. So this is the one I'm going to be keeping brand new, and I'm going to be opening this one. So I'll just show you the box so you guys can see it. And now I've wanted this train ever since I was a kid. I've always been fascinated by the metallic 60th anniversary Thomas. So yeah, here it is. Show you each side of the box before I unbox it. You know, I just really love this old style of a box. Sky blue railroad. It's kind of cool. So yeah, so that's the top of the box, and it still has the peg thing over here. That's the bottom of the box, and finally we have the back of the box. So yeah, and as you can see, ST05, so that means this box, the box at least, was made in 2005, which is right on Thomas's 60th anniversary. And I'll show you the underside of the shell just so we can see exactly when this Thomas was made. So firstly, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna open it like that. And me personally, I love keeping every single bit, so I'll keep the bag and all the pieces of foam. So just quickly and carefully open the box. We have our first piece of foam here, so I'll put that to the side. And now we get the first glimpse of our 60th anniversary Thomas, and it's in its little bag. So then second of all, I'll take the little peg dingo out, like here. And then now I'll take out the Thomas. It's nice and tightly fit in there. There we go. There you go, the instructions. So there he is, and as you can see, there's nothing else in the box apart from that piece of foam down there. And here are the instructions that fell out of the box. Just very simple, typical Plarail instructions. Don't put the train in your hair. So it's just one-sided. And I think these are like couplings you can order and all that if you end up breaking them. So you can order them from this sheet and like call them up and all that. So actually that's supposed to go like this, like that. So I'll put that back in the box. Now here we have the Thomas. So now this is like a very sought after train. So people probably won't be happy with me unboxing it, but I've got one brand new, so I can unbox this one, and I want to unbox this one. So there it is, like that, and you can see Annie and Clarabelle are nice and shiny and brand new. And there's Thomas. Alright, So, as you can see, it's fixed on here with tape, so I'm going to carefully pull this bit of tape off. I put it on the ground. And I think I actually just broke that piece of tape. That's okay. I have to get this piece off too. Anyway, do that. So as you can see, like the tape's ripped after being like that old. So I'll just put that to the side, and I'll try and peel this bit of tape off as well. Nothing big difficulties. Anyway, I should be able to just like get this off here. Yeah, so I'm just trying to be very careful with it because I don't want to break the bag at all, just in case I need to repackage it. Ah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now, Thomas is ready to take out, so just peel this bit of nice bit of tape off. Alright, so now, the first thing I'll take out and show you will be, of course, Plarail. Now, here's the Plarail, looking absolutely magnificent. You can see the camera. Very, very reflective. And there's Plarail's face. I'll put it like that so then you don't have to see my phone, but it's Plarail's face, and you can see that the eyes have like a pink tint to it. They're not exactly white, they're pink, which is very interesting. So I'll put Plarail like that. Now we have our piece of foam. Nice piece of foam. Well, first piece of foam from the bag, and I'm going to be keeping all these pieces of foam because just like that. Like to keep everything. Next we have Annie. So here's Annie, looking very nice also, with the same pink tint to the eyes. Very metallic. As you can see the reflection of my phone. Here's the back. The other side, and the top. As you can see, it's also a bit reflective. The bottom. And Annie again. So I'll put Annie just here, and then the last bit is Thomas. So I'll carefully roll him out. And here we have piece of foam, the last piece of foam, or the second piece of foam. And now the moment of the truth, the thing we've all been waiting for. And I always keep the bag, so I'll put those to the side. Thomas itself. Looking absolutely brilliant. Very, very reflective. Thomas might need a little tap on the table to get him working again. So there's the Thomas. Here's the roof. No scratches in the roof. All the paint's still there. Looking brilliant. Here's the bottom. Not sure if you can see that. Tommy, made in Thailand, 1992, and it's the square Tommy logo, not the round one. The round one was only made until mid-90s. So yeah, oh, not mid-90s, early 2000s, sorry. So yeah, a little bit of a chip on the yellow bit, but that's not too bad. Alright, now I'm going to take him apart. Try my best not to get any smudges on it. And you can see my handprint just there. But, and the moment of truth. 04. Wow, so that's L. So that's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So this is probably one of the first ones ever made. December 2004. Before Thomas's 60th anniversary. So this one right here was probably one of the first ones on shelf, which is amazing to think about. As you can see there, you can see the L04. So put that there. Here is Thomas's chassis with awesome battery terminals. Still push forward, still new. The running plate is in awesome condition. You can see that they've spray painted it here, so they haven't really done a good job masking the running plate. Like you can see, it's gone, the black paint for the little stubs here has gone a bit onto the running plate. Same with this here, which is interesting. That's not that noticeable. It's not too bad. Yeah, I might quickly go get a battery. Battery, so I'll put the battery in the Thomas, and you can see like the battery terminal here is like very strong, so I'll put that in there. Look at that, doesn't even need a tap. I think it's got a broken gear. Oh no, it doesn't. Let's see, it's a bit noisy, but that's okay. At least it's working. Now I'll put the shell back on. There we go, like so. Just gotta push it onto this side. Interesting. It didn't go all the way on at the back, it just sits there. Which isn't right, but I should be able to fix that. Can't tell if that's a cracked gear or not. I think it is a cracked gear. Let's see. Yeah, it is a cracked gear, you can tell. See? That's alright, that's an easy fix though. See, if I put him down, it doesn't go straight away. That's an easy fix though, I can fix that easily. It's probably just because it's been sitting in that box for way too long. Okay, so here's the Thomas, and now I'm gonna go quickly grab the more recent metallic Thomas with the bow. this metallic Thomas is from the 25th anniversary set here. So like as you can see, the only real difference, I'll take the bow off of it. Like that. And well, you can see my one's seen much better days, but as you can see, the only difference is, of course, is the face. And oh, they've done the same problem here. So I guess it's just the way that they paint it. They haven't fixed it, as you can see. And then the other difference is that the 25th anniversary one has a darker running board, as you can see. The 60th anniversary metallic Thomas one is more white, not grey. And yeah, but the colors are pretty similar, as you can tell. I mean, you probably can't tell, but looking at them, my own eyes, they're very similar, the colors. So yeah, if I put them side by side, you can probably tell they're similar. So yeah, other than that, they're practically the same. They are the same. The only differences between the newer 25th anniversary one and the much older 60th anniversary one is the face and the different colored running board. Apart from that, they're absolutely the same. So thank you guys very much for watching my review and unboxing of the Plarail 60th anniversary Thomas. And please like and subscribe this video, and I hope to make more soon. Bye bye.